Laron, it's time for a sleepy adventure.
Let's float to dreamland on a fluffy cloud.
Close your eyes, so soft, so bright. Though drifting through the starry night. Jolly whispers, time to rest. Floating high, feeling blessed.
Where are we going?
To the land where dreams come true.
Look, the stars are twinkling just for you.
Clouds so fluffy, sky so wide. Laron takes a sleepy ride. The moon is glowing, stars shine through. Dreamland waits for me and you.
Let's count the stars, Laron.
Each one is a tiny dream.
One little star shining bright. Two little stars say goodnight. Though the three little stars begin to glow. Drifting where the dreamers go.
Look! Even the sleepy bear is snuggling in.
Time to close your eyes, little one.
Yawning, stretching just like you. Jolly sing so warm, so deep. It's dream time to sleep. Close your eyes, my little one. Though the dreams will shine like golden sun. Laron whispers, night so deep. Sweet dreams, baby, time to sleep. Close your eyes, my little one. Though dreams will shine like golden sun. Laron whispers, night so deep. Time to sleep. Time to sleep. Time to sleep. Close your eyes, my little one. Though dreams will shine like golden sun. Laron whispers, night so deep. Time to sleep. Time to sleep. Time to sleep. Time to sleep.
Dream sweet dreams. We'll see you soon.
Good night, little Laron.